Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize real estate social media with Buffer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to buffer.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, you will see the Buffer dashboard. To connect your social media accounts, click on Manage Channels. Select the platforms you want to connect, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Follow the authentication steps to link each account with Buffer. After connecting your accounts, navigate to the Content tab. Click on Create Post to start crafting content for your social media. In the text box, write your message or promotional content related to your real estate listings. You can add images or videos by clicking the Upload button. Make sure your visuals are high quality and relevant to your audience. Once your post looks good, use the preview feature to see how it will appear on each platform. Now, choose your posting schedule. You can either share it immediately or select a date and time for future posting. When you're ready, click Schedule Post to finalize. To analyze your posts, head to the Analytics tab. Here, you can track engagement metrics like likes, shares, and comments. Use this data to refine your content strategy for better results. Regularly check your analytics to spot trends and optimize your future posts. Consider using Buffer's Queue feature to maintain a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your brand top of mind for your audience. For added efficiency, explore the hassle-free scheduling option. This allows Buffer to automatically determine the best times for your posts. As you become familiar with Buffer, experiment with different content types. Test out videos, infographics, or client testimonials to see what resonates most. Adapting your strategy based on real performance will enhance your social media presence. That's how you can easily optimize your real estate social media using Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.